Man, I gotta call this bike the doctor because it's fixing everything I didn't really like about Harley. Hey, what's up everybody? Out here at Stampede Harley-Davidson in Burleson, Texas, riding the 2019 FXDR 114. Okay, I'm already liking it. I got forward controls, like I'm leaned all the way forward. It's super sporty feeling. Feels light. I've ridden a breakout before, and this is way more sportier than a breakout. Oh, nice. Matte white paint. I even like the layout of the dash. It's so simple, but I just like the general shape of all of this. Great mirrors, see everybody behind me. Bike feels light. Dude, I love how that intake is sticking out the side over here. That is too cool. Oh yeah. Dude, everything about this bike feels mean. I love it. Like, can y'all see how far forward I'm leaned over? Minimal vibrations, the typical Harley vibrations, but I guess with the new Milwaukee 8 114s, I guess they have the balanced countershaft in them, so vibrations are at a very minimum. Foot pegs, handlebars, grips, all of that. Very chill and mellow. Rear brake feels really strong, surprise. Front brake feels good. The clutch lever is not super light, but it's not heavy. There's a moderate pull to it. But it kind of goes along with the attitude of this bike. Oh man, dude, the geometry of this bike, how did y'all do this, Harley? Kudos. Now the wheelbase on this bike is longer than what, you know, most bikes are, so you will have a larger turn radius, obviously. But I mean, it felt pretty good in those little curves back there, so oh, I love the riding position. Okay, this is as upright as I can get, and I can go all the way like this. That's amazing. could ride this bike all day. Like, even though I'm leaning forward, I have little pressure on my wrist, like little to no pressure. It's not bad at all. Man, I gotta call this bike the doctor because it's fixing everything I didn't really like about Harley-Davidson. The name is very appropriate. I'm trying to see really what else I can talk about because this is my very first time on it. So, and I wanted to come into this ride with no expectations, no anything, just a blank canvas. I'm impressed. Like, not even 5 minutes to the ride, I'm impressed. Oh, you hear that 114 growl? Alright, let's see what this bike feels like in the curves. Oh yes. Ooh. The bike feels really planted through the curves. Granted, we were only going 40 miles an hour, right? Why wouldn't it be? Oh, the rear wheel tried to break loose on me. That's torque. That's torque. Just so y'all know. Yeah, I'm in there, man. I'm all the way in there with this bike. I would love to get the stretch. I would love to try to stretch this bike out on the freeway, but you know, I want a demo ride, so I gotta stay with the pack and listen to the rules. But I like this bike. It completely exceeded all my expectations. If you're in the market for a cruiser, check this out. 2019 Harley-Davidson FXDR, the Doctor. Very nice.
How is it? Good?
Very nice. Like, I'm shocked. I'm shocked.